combine like terms, grouping together items which have the same features. Combining like terms, or CLT, means to add together like algebraic terms which have the same variables raised to the same power. Here is an example of non-like terms, x plus 2. An x and a 2 are not like terms, and therefore cannot be added together. They must remain separate, as in, quote, x plus 2, end quote. Given the next example of 3x squared plus 4x minus 6x plus 5 plus 7, the 4x and the minus 6x are like terms because they contain the same variable raised to the same power and can be combined to equal minus 2x. The 5 and the 7 can be added because both contain no variable to equal 12. Therefore, after combining like terms, we have 3x squared minus 2x plus 12. Combining like terms is adding terms containing the same variable raised to the same power. Related words: constant, coefficient, variable, term.